Hi there, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to talk to you about what the Strategy Factory can do for you. So let's get started. So, first off, who am I? If you've never seen my videos, you've never visited my website, you've never read one of my books, who in the world am I? Well, as I said, I'm Kevin Davey. I'm a full time trader. I also have written 5 trading books. I do speaking, consulting, and I teach my Strategy Factory workshop. I've also won 3 World Cup Trading Championship trophies. I finished in first or second place 3 consecutive years, each of those years with over 100% return. And that's a real money test. And it's a year-long test. So that's a pretty tough contest to do well in. So that's who I am. I've also written 5 books, as I mentioned. The first book was Building Winning Algorithmic Trading Systems. The late Van Tharp said, this is a very impressive book. And other top traders around the world have read it, had a lot of good things to say about it. It won Trader Planet Book of the Year when it came out. That was my first book, and then since then, I've written 4 more books that are either about algo trading or about stock market trading. They're on Amazon. I encourage you to check them all out. Finally, I am the creator and the teacher, instructor of the master class in algo trading. I call it the Strategy Factory. And 5 years in a row now, it's won an award with the Reader's Choice Awards. That's through Technical Analysis of Stocks and Commodities magazine. Their readers vote on the best trading school and a lot of other things, best indicator. And I won in 2024, this year, best trading school. I beat out big companies like TradeStation and Thinkorswim. So I was number 1. In the other years, I was second or third. So I think I teach a pretty decent class there. And it's called the Strategy Factory. Well, what is it? What I've done is I've taken my 30 years of trading experience and boiled it down to a step-by-step process that I follow to build strategies and that I can teach to others, and they can go and build those strategies. And the steps are shown right there. So there's nothing unique or crazy about the steps, but obviously the details are what matters, and also the consistency of the approach. So I test every strategy the same way, put it through the same tests. And doing that helps you eliminate a lot of mistakes that you might have made in your algo trading. Overfitting, over optimization, all kinds of crazy things that you might have done. And how do I know that? I've done the same things. I used to do those consistently. I used to make every mistake known to man. And then I finally started getting better. And I put down what I do in my process. And the secret behind what I teach really comes down to 3 words. It's testing done correctly. And a lot of people who get into algo trading think optimization is the key. That's what all the software kind of shows you to do. That's not right. You've got to test correctly. If you don't know how to test correctly, you're going to build strategies that look great during the back test, but they don't work in real time. So what can this Strategy Factory do, and what can it do? Well, it gives you a proven development process that I've used and that hundreds of traders around the world have used. But what it can't do is just create strategies for you. It can't say, here, test that or trade this. It doesn't give you a final solution. You have to test it yourself. And you might say, oh, that's a lot of work. Well, you end up having a lot of confidence in it. People can just hand you a strategy and you might not have faith in it. But once you test it and you know what it's gone through, that's a great thing. So the whole idea, obviously, with the Strategy Factory is to build out of sample, profitable, positive expectancy strategies. So you want strategies that work in real time, not just in backtest. That's what that statement means. Unfortunately, not every strategy you build is going to work. Some will still fail, some will still lose money. But with this process, you kind of put the odds in your favor. When you follow this step-by-step process, you get a plan to trade responsibly. But at the same time, you can go off and mess things up. You can decide my next trade, I'm going to position size so all my margin's used. And it could be a losing trade and you could blow your account out. So it can't prevent you from doing silly things, but at least it can kind of warn you. And again, it's a repeatable process. So once you build one strategy, you can go back and build another and another and another, and you can build them in different market sectors. You can build metal strategies and energies. And if you wanted to do crypto, you could do that, and currency futures or Forex, stock indices. You can build with the same process. You just keep repeating it. I mean, that being said, it's not necessarily easy. You're not going to build 10 strategies in the first day. It's hard work. But finally, when you start building this diversified portfolio of strategies, it leads you to diversified trading, which is the closest thing I've ever seen to the Holy Grail. But at the same time, it can give you the strategies, it can help you build them, but it's up to you to follow the rules, both in development and live trading. I mean, if you decide to turn off strategies because of news announcements, your backtest is going to be different than your real performance, and it's going to suffer. So this process doesn't force you to follow the rules. It just tells you, hey, that's the way to go, but you got to do it. So why does this work? Why does this process work? Well, one, it's objective. It's based on actual data and facts. I tell you, hey, use this number of iterations. That's based on actual test results. So it's very scientific. So if you have a scientific background where you say, hey, I don't do things unless I can verify them, unless they can be tested, this is a perfect approach for you. Because everything's based on probably at least 250 million back tests that I've run. I stopped keeping count at one point, but it might be more like 500 million. I've run tons and tons and years worth of back tests to find strategies that worked well in real time. Not everybody out there can say that, but I've been doing this for 30 years. And at the same time, I don't rest on it. I don't say, hey, here's how to do it. You can go and do this for the next 10 years and just go off and do it. My process is continuously improved. So I keep looking at ways to make it better, to make it easier. That's the way I approach things. Okay, so what instruments will the Strategy Factory work with? Well, we have stocks, futures, Forex, crypto, options. Those are probably the major sectors that people look to get into. It works with everything except options. I don't trade options. I don't test options. There's a lot of little tricks to option testing. So you got to watch out if that's the route you want to go. But trying to historically test options, there's a lot more pitfalls in these other methods. That being said, where I focus my effort is on futures. And you might say, well, why? Well, in the U.S., there's a definite tax advantage to futures. There's also the ability to have leverage, whether or not you're in the U.S. or not, but you only need a small margin to hold a large number or a large dollar amount of futures. And the third thing is you can be diversified. Where stocks, you might not be as diversified as you can be with futures, but you could have a copper strategy along with your lean hog strategy. Chances are those are going to be pretty diversified. So that's what instruments, the strategy factory can do with you. What can you do with it? You can do your own personal trading. So I trade dozens of my own strategies I've created. Students have created, who've taken my class, they've created a bunch of their own strategies. So it works for them too. Now you might be saying, well, okay, this sounds sort of interesting. Who should take it? Well, if you're a true beginner, don't take this course. If you like discretionary trading, where you like staring at a chart all day, this course isn't for you. But if you're familiar with testing software, such as TradeStation, that's what I use. And if you know how to program strategies in it, and if you're willing to work hard at this isn't easy, well, then it might be for you. But if you've never back tested, if you get easily frustrated, if you hop from method to method over and over again, the course probably isn't for you. This is for people who want to seriously get into algo trading and realize that, hey, it's going to be tough, but what in life that's worth working for isn't tough. And that's why you need hard work. It's worth working for, but it is tough. So that's who should and shouldn't take the course. Now, if you do decide to look at this course, it's a one-day class that's 8 hours live, plus tons of extra information, at least 40 hours of bonus material and explanations that I just could not get into detail after the 8 class. You also get, with the Platinum class, you get 12 months of email support with me, not with some third world tech support or somebody who's never traded before. You ask questions, I answer them. I think that's pretty important. You also get a whole bunch of strategies you can trade right out of the gate if you want to. I give you the full code for them. I give you a bunch of tools like spreadsheets to help you manage everything. And I also invite you to the Strategy Factory Club, which is a way to share strategies with other students. So here's an example of the strategies that you get with the course. There's 8 gold strategies on the left. There's 8 platinum strategies on the right. And that, by gold and platinum, I don't mean the futures instrument. That's just the strategy workshop package I'm talking about. Each set of 8 is a diversified portfolio. And you add them together and you get something that's pretty good. These strategies have worked in real time. So this is not just back test you see here. This is real-time performance. Okay, so I mentioned the Strategy Factory Club. It's worth just mentioning real quickly. You get the ability to share strategies with other students, and it's a contest evaluation that lasts 6 months that I conduct, that I'm the judge of. So what you would do is you'd be up in the upper left. You would submit a strategy that was built using the Strategy Factory process. I would evaluate it and say, okay, yeah, this is good for the 6-month test. And a bunch of other students would also submit strategies. And then what happens is we run a 6-month live test. And at the end of the 6 months, if your strategy passes a certain performance criteria, you get copies of every other strategy that passed in your same month. So you could get 5 or 10 different strategies of other people, which is a great way to get new ideas and start out with new things, seeing what other people do. You can also get some of the older strategies. We have over 600 strategies in our library, and you can get access to those following some of the rules in the Strategy Factory Club. So to kind of wrap it up, just some recent reviews of my course, people by and large are happy with my course and they have success. So if you've been thinking about what's a strategy factory, is it right for my algo trading, hit that QR code. It'll take you to my strategy workshop page. You can learn all about it and you can also sign up. I'm champion trader Kevin Davey. Thanks for watching.